Okay students, let us proceed to find the integral of question number 8 of exercise number 3.2c. Okay, of mathematics 2, question number 8 is given as 3 into cos of x dividing by 4 sin square x plus 4 sin x minus 1 dx. Here we can remove sin x with the t. Okay, means using our substitution method you can replace the trigonometric function into algebraic function. As if we assume let sin of x is equal to t. Okay, what is our target? We have to convert our trigonometric function into algebraic function. If we assume sin x is equal to t, taking derivative of both sides, we get cos of x dx is equal to dt. Means cos of x dx becomes dt and sin x is equal to t. Okay, so this is equal to, taking your integration, that is 3 into cos x dx is dt upon 4 sin x t, that is 4t square plus 4t minus 1. Okay, in this way, and we can write it as 3 into 1 upon 4t square plus 4t minus 1 dt. Okay, now we have integral of the type of 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c, that is the quadratic expression in t as a denominator. आपके denominator में क्या है? We have in denominator there is a quadratic expression in t, that is 4t square plus 4t minus 1. You have to now you can solve this quadratic expression in t using your perfect square method. Means we have to make ax square plus bx plus c as a perfect square, that is x square minus a square minus x square, or x square plus a square in form. So you can write it as 4t square plus 4t minus 1. So, what are the process to make perfect square? Means solution of quadratic expression or quadratic equation using perfect square method. You have to make the coefficient of t square as a 1. तो आपको t square के coefficient को 1 बनाना है. तो taking 4 as a common, we have t square plus 1t minus 1 by 4. Now the next term is we have to find third term. In third term, that is tt. Third term is equal to 1 by 2 into coefficient of t. Coefficient of t, that is 1 to the whole square. And 1 into 1 we have 1 by 2 to the whole square, that is 1 by 4. Our third step is adding and subtracting. On adding and subtracting the obtained third term in the quadratic expression, that is 4 into t square plus 1 into t minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Clear? And this one is equal to 4 times t minus t, taking the square root of t square, that is t, sin is plus, dividing the coefficient of t by 2, that is 1 by 2 to the whole square. Now we have to check which 3 terms are included in this bracket. हमें check करना होता है क्यों? Since there is a plus b to the whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, means there are 3 terms in a plus b to the whole square. In expression a plus b to the whole square, there are 3 terms. Okay, so since this one is our a plus b to the whole square, means 3 terms are containing, 3 terms are प्रेजेंट हियर। अब कौन कौन से 3 टर्म्स यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है, हम कैसे मालूम चलेगा? लेट अस चेक। a स्क्वायर दैट इज t स्क्वायर प्लस 1/4 और प्लस 2 into ab, 2 into a into b, 1/2 to get cancelled, that is t, so t, and the remaining terms are minus 1/4 minus 1/4, that is minus 2/4 minus 2/4, and this is equal to 4 times t plus 1/2 to the whole square and 1/2, that is 1/2 means 1 upon root 2 to the whole square. ठीक है, 2/4 that is minus 1/4 minus 1/4 minus 2/4, that is 1/2, so minus 1/2 that is 1 upon root 2 to the whole square. So we have x square minus a square. This one is our perfect square of 2 terms, a square, t is algebraic terms, that is a variable term t, and this one is constant term, x square minus a square. So we have, let this one is equal to I, so I is equal to 3 times 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4 into t plus 1/2 to the whole square minus 1 upon root 2 to the whole square dt. This one is equal to 3/4. हाँ ठीक है। Okay students, that is the 4 is the constant and 3/4 written outside of the integral. We have 1 upon t plus 1/2 to the whole square minus 1 upon root 2 to the whole square or dt. This one is equal to 3/4. So 1 upon x square minus a square. Integration of 1 upon x square minus a square is 1 upon 2a. You know the formula for some special integrals. There are seven formulas depending on some named as some special integrals. Okay, उन्हीं में से एक है कि 1 upon x square minus a square, that is 1 upon 2a. a means 1 upon root 2 log of x. x means t plus 1/2 minus a, that is 1 upon root 2 upon t plus 1/2 plus a. a means 1/2 plus c. 2 and 2 get cancelled, that is 3 upon 4 root 2. 2 upon root 2, that is root 2 into log of mod of t. t means sine of x. So sine of x plus 1/2 minus 1 upon root 2. Again sine of x plus 1/2 plus 1 upon root 2 plus c. Okay, so this one is your final answer. Okay students, any problem? That is so easy. So इसलिए इसको बहुत मैंने फास्ट किया. This is easy. No any difficulty in this problem. Okay, इसलिए मैंने बहुत फास्ट सॉल्व किया. Okay, please make a note.